Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to check how to fix the YouTube playback speed bug. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button for more helpful tutorials. I'll show you the steps in a simple way, so let's get started. Update the YouTube app. Open the Play Store, Android, or App Store, iPhone. Search for YouTube and tap Update if available. Use YouTube in a web browser. Open Chrome or Safari and go to youtube.com. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. Step 4. Change playback speed in browser. Play any video. Tap the Settings gear icon in the top right of the video. Select playback speed and set your preferred speed. Step 5. Alternative temporary method in the app. Play the video in the YouTube app. Press and hold your finger on the screen. The video will play at double speed, but only while holding your finger down. That's it. You can use either of these options until YouTube fixes the bug. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for future updates.